Alright, ready? Welcome to part one of the Custom Action Masters review, and right now we're going to be looking at Rad and Circuit. Now, first let's get this out of the way. I did not make these two. I got them online. Somebody else made them, and they basically gave them like the heads, as you would see later. But yeah, so we have Rad here, who was like basically the science guy, but also very skilled on the battlefield as well. And you know, he got along very well with all the other Autobots, things like that. And yeah, let's focus on him first. So, you know, let's get rid of the Combiner Wars hands and this gun, which I'm not sure where this came from. Judging by the handle and the texture, it looks like a small Optimus gun for made by Matrix Workshop or something. But yeah, so they gave him that. So anyway, so they took the Jazz mold here for Rad and just painted it red. So, and with the yellow on the side, yeah, and added some grayish details. And yeah, this was a fun mold and looks great in red. Yeah, originally Rad did not have its like a vehicle mode being an Action Master, but judging from the way he looked, they assumed that it was probably a either a car or a motorcycle. So I'm guessing they went with the car look for it. Yeah, he originally had a partner named Lionizer who would become a gun. And Lionizer would later be released. It's like in the Siege, it's like toy line. It's like as one of the Battle Masters. Although he turned into a sword in that version. That slowly started getting him transformed. It's been a while since I transformed him, but yeah, I do remember how this goes. Yeah, although he's supposed to be an Action Master, whoever made this, it's like basically found it very easy, and he transforms quite easily. So you can see here he has the head from the original Rad. Okay, there we go. Yeah, the original Rad Action Master, which fits quite well in the cavity section here. So yeah, there we go. There you have Rad. And then it's like, yeah, you just let's just put the hand foot gun that's here on his back for now, and give him his weapon. So yeah, like I said, he was the basically like a tech guy, very skilled and quite liked by the other Autobots. Yeah. So you know, he has that's the original Action Master head. So that's one of the things that they were going for, and it works quite well for him. Now here we have Circuit, and yeah, he was based on a Sunstreaker. Let's get rid of those. Whoever did this basically only like painted some of the parts yellow. Apparently this one was not meant to transform like as a true Action Master, if you will. But we sort of did our best to sand down parts and whatnot to restore that ability, as you will see shortly. Yeah, apparently from what I understood, he was kind of a reporter that's like on the field circuit, and you know, basically, you know, he was just always wheeling and dealing and, you know, doing interviews and whatnot. So he always upset some people. The original version of this was a European exclusive, and yeah, basically wasn't released here in America. He came with like an exo frame, which was a motorized bike, and yeah, apparently in the story, like he would use that to either A, get away from angry mobs because it was like really fast, or then it's like he had like certain weapons, it's like again designed to handle angry mobs to allow them to get away. Kind of an ass, but very useful on the battlefield. So apparently the Autobots, you know, keep him around for that reason. So yeah, here we go. Give him the hand foot gun. In order, here we have the Action Master head, and in order to make it fit properly, we had to sand down. It's like the one piece, so we can't put the hand foot gun back to where it was. So yeah, whoever did this, it's like, yeah, they painted this darker yellow and blues. It's like, yeah, to make it match more the Action Master Circuit aesthetic. So yeah, those are like the first hood. Like I said, we got these from the same person. This one was never meant to transform. That one transforms okay. So there we have that. And yeah, we'll get into more of the other group. So yeah, there was a Rad and Circuit for you. Alright, stay tuned for the next one. Later.